Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Angie and I am a professional house cleaner. I have been cleaning homes and businesses for the last 12 years. And on my channel, I like to review products and I want to give my honest opinion on the products that I like and don't like. Well, these are some of the products that I just will not ever use again. In my opinion, they did not work, and one of them was a viral cleaner, and I don't understand why this went viral, to be honest with you. To me, it does not work. So this is one of the products that I will not use again. Um, and another one is from Scrub Daddy. I think a lot of these companies want to compete against each other, and so they're like, hey, if one of them made a paste, let's make a paste too, and just don't work, in my opinion. I clean for a living, so I'm always looking for cleaners that will help in some way um, with getting the jobs done much quicker. And these are just two of the products that I did put to the test. I will link the video somewhere up here for you to go watch that if you want to. But I just don't think that these are the products for me, and I will not be using them again. Another product for me too that I will not be using anymore would be this damp duster by Scrub Daddy. Swiffer dusters are just way better for me and much easier for me to get the jobs done. So I will stick with my Swiffer dusters over the Scrub Daddy. Again, I did do a video on the comparison of these products, and so if you want to go watch them, please do that. But unless you've got all day cleaning and to use this, then I would say go right ahead and try it for yourself. But this is not a product for me. Another product that I decided to pick up, and I will put the video out of this. It's these blocks, these cleaning blocks. It is for porcelain and ceramic surfaces, including tubs, sinks, toilets, and tile and grout. It removes soap scum, lime, rust buildup. I didn't find it to work for me. So this is hard. I don't know. It just wasn't for me. It's something I will not be purchasing anymore. So there you go. This is supposed to remove a lot of stuff. I've seen these on other videos. So I decided to go buy one and try it for myself on some of the tubs that I have, in my houses. So it just did not work for me. Again, it didn't work for me. So if you want to still go try this, you can. It is called Earthstone. I'm just giving you my honest opinion on how I feel about the product from using it in one of my clients' homes. Another uh, scouring stick, heavy duty scouring stick. These claim that they would take off, all of the rust and stuff like that that's inside of your toilets, grout, uh, pools, grills, tiles, tubs, concrete and iron masonry. Um, I I tried this one in the bathtub as well, and to me it just did not work. So what this is a little like stone. It just feels like a hard brick, the same as this. It's just kind of the same. One's smaller and one's bigger. And so again, I seen this on another video, and I wanted to try this one out because, like I said, I try to find things that are going to help me get the houses done in a much quicker, faster, form because time is of an essence. When I'm out cleaning homes, I like to get them done as quick as possible. Uh, for one, the client, don't want me here all day, and I don't want to be in their homes all day. So these are just a few that I wanted to talk about right now on what my thought process is with them. And I just won't be using any of these products again. And so, like I said, my channel is all about reviewing products that I like and don't like, and I will talk about the products that I don't like as well. So there you have it. It's my honest opinion. I'm a professional cleaner. I go out and clean homes every single day for a living. And if my clients did not like my style of cleaning, I would not have a job. So if you found value, if this video helped you in some way, shape, or form, leave me a comment and let me know. You know, if you've tried any of these products, what your thought process was on it, and if you like them or if you don't like them, you know, and if you could, you know, give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't. I know that 90% of my viewers are not subscribed, and it really, really helps my channel if you can subscribe and leave me a comment. I would greatly appreciate it. And until the next time, guys, have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.